Alright, so you guys probably seen these videos on TikTok or Instagram. The AI generated hug. Let's see some more example here. This one right here. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. All you gotta do is take two photos side by side. You can either use Canva or other application to put them together. So now, and I'm gonna use lumalabs.ai. Again, I'll leave the link below if you guys want to check it out. Now, I've already tried it with Mike Tyson and was it Muhammad Ali, but this time I'm gonna try another image, but with the same prompt. Hold on here. I think it's Mike Tyson and Jake Paul, and I'm gonna use the same prompt. Let me see, make them. So the prompt is make them hug each other, smile, and give each other a long, warm hug. Now again, this is AI generated. It's not always gonna come out pretty good. It really depends on the picture that you have. It's better to have pictures where their hands are like, down, easier for the AI to generate that hug. But again, it all depends. Other application might do better, but we're gonna use lumalabs.ai because I've used this a couple times before. Let's see. Hopefully this one will generate it faster than the last time. So here we go. Alright guys, let's check out the final product. So I did the Jake Paul and Mike Tyson, which is all the way in the left. Now again guys, these AI are not perfect, but choosing the picture makes a lot of difference, and also I mean the prompt also, but this is what it came out to. I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see. So the arm kind of way off in the end, but again, you might have to try it, 3 or 4 times just to get that perfect hug angle. Or again, there are different type of AIs that does this. I choose lumalabs.ai, but there are other ones that are better. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.